Luann. This is Julie Fuller, your assigned instructional designer, and I'm going to be reviewing the course chunking plan assignment from TOL 6100 with you today. So you'll notice on my screen here I have two different windows open. The window on the left is your assignment, as I'm seeing it in Blackboard, and the window on the right is the rubric that I am using to grade your assignment today. And you did score 10 out of 10 points, so I just want to take a quick second to review some of the criteria from the rubric and how your assignment matched up with it. So the first criteria I'm going to review from the rubric is the first row called Purpose and Learning Objectives, and on the rubric you fell into the third category from the left, the far right category, the MET category, and that's because I found that you clearly explain how the modules align with your course content. You were able to break your objectives into manageable chunks, and you also included objectives that are appropriate to your course. So your course was the Honors Capstone course, and if we look at page 1 of your assignment here for Module 1, I see that your learning objectives are all measurable. You use measurable language, words like identify and evaluate. And for your first module, your content is appropriately chunked. So everything is related to the capstone experience as you identify in the learning objectives. So moving on to the second criteria, which is the second row in the rubric called Agenda and Assignments, you also fell into the far right category, the MET category, because your agenda sections are effectively chunked and your assignments align with the objectives. So if we look at the bottom of page 1 going into page 2 of your assignment, I see that your agenda items are all directly related to the learning objectives, and your assignments are all related to things that you're asking your students to do in the agenda. So, for example, your peer-reviewed journal assignment, I know, is somehow linked to the research video that is being developed under the watch bullet point of your agenda. The third criteria and the final criteria I want to review is the alignment statement, which is the third row of the rubric, and again, you fell into the far right category, the MET category. And that's because you provide a clear explanation and understanding of the alignment that you have created within your document. So if you look at the top of page 2 of the assignment that you submitted, you have an alignment statement for Module 1, and it was very clear to me through what you described in your alignment statement that you had an understanding that your learning objectives, your agenda, and the module assignments all must be aligned with one another. There cannot be any extraneous information or activities. So overall, I think you did a great job here. You earned full credit. Moving forward, there's no further action or revision required for this assignment. It was a pleasure reviewing and grading your work, and I hope that you find this feedback helpful, and I look forward to grading more of your assignments in this course. Thank you, Luann.